Hello,
This meeting is being recorded.
hello everybody. We from 7 Group Microcontrol System. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Krishna Sari Sibarani.
My name is Kenny Sibarani.
My name is Luis Putar-Putar.
Okay, now we want to present our project with title Checking Soil Moisture based on Atmega microcontroller using soil moisture sensor. We present by in Indonesian, pengecekan kesuburan tanah berbasis microcontroller Atmega 835 dengan menggunakan sensor resistivitas tanah. In our paper, we have abstract in based on the work experience of farmer. Farmers are still unable to improve the quality of the soil and will result in the soil in the fields become infertile. Although there are tools that can measure soil quality such as pH meter, they are expensive. In addition, there is also a method by taking sample of paddy file, which are then investigation in the laboratory. However, this method takes a long time. Not everyone can do it. And also the agriculture office of each district doesn't have its own soil quality testing laboratory. The price offered for testing the quality of the soil for each soil sample is still expensive. And in this study, the sensor used is a soil moisture sensor here with an Atmega microcontroller and act as processing tool and data processing generated by the sensor. The data is displayed on the LCD. The value displayed low on the screen, regardless of whether the value is medium or higher. This tool works according to the program built into the microcontroller and developed using the Code Vision AFR or CVAVR programming language that display the detected data. This system can also be used to determine the quality of paddy field. The equipment still use simple component to help farmer reach price. Later, it will be used by both the city government and the agency to determine the fertility of paddy fields in their respective regions. In our introduction, we can know from year to year the need for rice production in Indonesia is increasing. This is due to increase in population to meet to the rice needs farmer to do various ways. However, the problem lies in the ability of farmer to know quality of soil in increasing rice production. Farmer do not yet have accurate indicators to determine soil fertility. Farmer only use estimate and experience in fertilizing, which is cause farmer to not be able to increase soil fertility, which can even cause the soil in the fields to become infertile. In the market, there is a tool that is used to determine the level of soil fertility, namely pH meter. However, this tool is still quite expensive. And this tool has expensive compared to tool on the market, namely cheaper, more complete in the term of providing information. The information will be displayed on the 2x16 LCD screen. The information displayed is the value soil reservation, soil type, soil quality level, good, medium, and bad. And will presented by my friend.
Okay, I will continue the presentation. Now we talk about the literature review. First, Atmega 8535. The class amplifier output stage for the common emitter configuration looks like this picture. Atmega 8535 is an 8 8-bit microcontroller made by Atmel for the AVR family, which was mass-produced in 2006. Because it is an AVR family, Atmega 8535 also used the RISC architecture. In short, the Atmega 8535 has several capabilities. First, RISC-based 8-bit microcontroller system with a maximum speed of 16 megahertz. B, it has a kilobyte flash memory, 512 bytes of SRAM, and 512 bytes of EEPROM, or electrically reusable programmable read-only memory. C, it has a built-in 10-bit 8-channel ADC, or analog to digital converter. B, it has 4 internal PWM, or pulse width modulation channel. E, serial communication portal, or UCRT, with a maximum speed of 2.5 megabyte per second. F6 sleep mode option to save electricity usage. The Atmega 8535 microcontroller has 40 pins for the PDIP model and 44 pins for the TKFP and PLCC models. The names of the pins on this microcontroller are: first, VCC, it's for positive power supply voltage. B, GND, or for negative power supply voltage. C, port A from 0 to 7 as an input or output port and has other capabilities, namely as an input for ADC. D, port B as an input, output, or output port and also has other capabilities. Port C as input or output port for Atmega 8535 or X5. And port D as an input or output port and also has other capabilities. And reset the program in the microcontroller. Next, XTAL1 or XTAL1 and XTAL2 for clock signal generator input. AVCC for power supply voltage input pin for ADC. And a ref for the ADC reference voltage pin. Now this is the soil moisture sensor. Moisture detector in the soil, or often called soil hygrometer sensor or soil humidity sensor or detector. Actually, it use a moisture probe type YL69 processed by low offset comparator IC LM393, which very stable and precise. The sensor is also for detecting water content in the ground, which can then be used as a reference in the irrigation or watering system automatically. Just plug the plate humidity sensing probe into the ground. Detection sensitivity can be set by turning the attached potentiometer in the processor module. The sensitivity can be adjusted via potentiometer flexible power supply between 3.3 volt to 5 volt DC. The analog type output can be read as accurate linear representation of the level detect humidity. We can see the flowchart. I'm sorry, the flowchart, and from the working principle of the tool, level check soil fertility using microcontroller ATmega 8535. Any change the soil content of this soil moisture sensor will give different output voltage than input to the microcontroller, and then the microcontroller will generate the output is a number displayed to the LCD. From the block diagram above, it can be explained each function of the block of each component is one. The soil moisture sensor works for detect soil moisture that can use as the resistivity of the soil as changed in the value of soil fertility. Second, microcontroller ATmega 8535 function to control the system to be able to work according to work which are expected. Third, LCD or liquid crystal display. The function is to display value data of the result of the microcontroller process. Fourth, power supply works for provide electricity throughout hardware of the system. 2.3, the power supply. A power supply is a series electronic component designed to supply electrical power to at least one or more electronic device. In addition, the power supply can also be used to convert several different forms of energy such as solar, mechanical, or chemical energy into electrical energy. To operate some electrical equipment, you need a number of power sources, depending on the needs of the device itself. For IC and transistor, you will need a low DC voltage. Meanwhile, to operate a CRT and other device requires a high DC voltage. The power supply receives energy from an electrical outlet and convert AC to DC, energy that a computer needs. This tool is also used to set the amount of device energy is sufficient and not excessive. This allows the computer to run smoothly without overheating. The power supply is one of the most important part of computers, servers, and other electronic devices. Without it, other component of the device will not function properly. On a device, you can find the power supply by looking where the cable is connect. This cable is used to transfer energy to the device. If you open the power supply, inside is a metal case that contains the fan and some cable that connect it to the device. The function of the power supply is as follows. First, change the main voltage to that it does not exceed the maximum limit of the device. Second, become a backup power in the form of a battery. An example of this function is a UPS, which is designed to prevent sudden power outage when the energy supply stops. And the last is convert the high voltage AC to low voltage DC.
Okay, now we talk about design. This is the design of the project we have made. The method used in manufacture of fertility checking tools, microcontroller-based soil is a detection of water content contained in the ground, so that you can compare to dry soil or not good soil. This is output voltage sensor. This ground resistivity is connected to microcontroller. The sensor that provide input voltage to microcontroller so as to provide display of soil fertility level data to LCD. The system consists for several interrelated system and requires software for the system to work according to what was expected. the outline of the system design at the top, some hardware design and designing software. Method, the work of the system is the soil resistivity sensor plugged or planted along the plate boundary sensor. The soil sensor will work when detecting the presence of water in the soil, so as to produce an output voltage that its value is close to VCC. Then this output becomes the input to the microcontroller. Then the microcontroller process accordingly with safe programs. Because the program is a performance program change value from analog to digital or ADC, then the data will appear through the LCD, which is installed in the output port of the microcontroller. This is a manual calculation for the system that we will make. I will share, this is a picture of the tools we will use to our project. Okay. At this implementation stage, there are a few obstacles because our program code cannot run on the microcontroller used. Here we show the program code that we have created by Kak Christine.
Okay, here I want to tell about our coding to know soil moisture sensor works. The first, we must define pin number to use Atmega and soil moisture sensor. Choose variable to configuration pin. For step permitted data of configuration are integer, float, constanta, and etc. We must input integer of sensor for calling sensor function, and don't forget to download LCD library on our application. Our code still error in LCD installation, and will fix that soon. And our code, we can do conversion RH value to percent so that we know a value about soil moisture. And our code to propose soil moisture in percent from LCD display use Atmega and soil moisture sensor. Because in this code, we use integer type data if RH value set 80.2 will show 80% in LCD display.
Okay. That's all from our group progress presentation. Thank you for watching.